walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, round hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hey love, so as you guys can see by the title below, I will be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 11, and I did pick up the purple one. I am so excited to unbox this device because purple is not one of my favorite colors. You guys know blush pink is my like go-to color, rose gold. But when I saw this device at Apple the other day, when I went and got my silver iPhone 11 Pro Max, I was like, that is a gorgeous phone. So this was the location that I went to. They actually have a lot of devices. If you guys are in the DFW area, you can go check them out. This is the location that I went to, which was from my house like 50 minutes. So if any of you guys are interested in purchasing any of their devices, the location that I went to, and it is the unlocked universal version. So you can use this with any carrier, and you can also use this overseas and stuff like that. The phone was $699. The tax out here in Texas is outrageous. So plus tax, everything was $757.74. So depending on how much the sales tax is in your area, you're looking at between $700 and $750 as far as, you know, the tax and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the device. If you guys are new to my channel, I do have the iPhone 11 Pro Max in the silver and also in the gold. I will go ahead and just take the case off so you guys can see. This is the gold one, and this is my silver one. And look, my daughter is actually, look at my daughter, she's actually snapping me right now. And this is the silver one. I will try to show you guys how they look, the difference. If you are new to my channel, you want to see what they look like, this is what they look like side by side. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the purple one. Of course, you guys know the purple one is the smaller version, just the regular iPhone 11. The difference in the packaging, you guys know this is just the original OG box for Apple. Of course, the Pro Max came in a black box. This just came in the white box, but what I did notice is that, of course, the phone is purple on top. It has the purple Apple logo right here. The words are in purple, and that's pretty much it. And as you guys can see, that is the camera on the back. So if you wanted to, like, you know, compare the two, of course, you guys know this is the one with the 3 cameras. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my best to unbox. As you guys know, I am not a techie channel. Anytime I get any new devices, I always like to share them with you guys. Okay, so I'm not sure. I saw the phone in the store, but I'm not sure if it's matte on the back. I don't know. It doesn't really let you know by the box. Oh wow, this is how it looks. It's not really picking up on camera how pretty it is in person. It's absolutely gorgeous. This phone is gorgeous. Go ahead and take it out of the box. So I've done so many unboxings of iPhones, so I'll go ahead and do this little quick rundown if you guys haven't seen an unboxing before. So as I noticed, as soon as I take this off, you guys know with the 11 Pro Max, it came with the fast adaptive charger. So with the 11, you do not get that, which I thought that you do get it with the 11, the 11 Pro, and the 11 Pro Max. But clearly, as you guys can see, it's just a regular basic charger that comes with the phone. It's not the fast adaptive charger. And of course, in here, you just get, you know, your charger cord, USB cord. And also, I do notice that it's just a basic USB cord. With the 11 Pro Max, you did get the cord like you use for your iPad. So that's that. And of course, you get the basic headphones. And everything that you need pretty much is in here. So this is how the purple one looks. It do have the glass on the back. So the back of this device is not matte. I do like how the square part around the camera is clear and it's like a thick chunk of piece of glass. So it's definitely noticeable on this device with the glass. As far as with the other devices, it looks, I don't know if it's because this back is glass and the other ones is matte black, but you can definitely notice the thick hump in the camera. I don't know if it's because the back is glass. The paper off. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I guess I'll go ahead and run through the device. The screen on it is kind of like the XR screen to me. You guys know my kids have the XRs as well. Because of the thickness on the side, it's definitely not as thick on the Pro or the Max, but right now it's definitely giving me like the XR feel. So I'm going to go ahead and just run through it and see if the setup is just like the setup when you purchase any of the other devices. Data and privacy, continue, set up later, passcode, don't use passcode, don't use passcode. We're going to not transfer anything. We're going to just go through it. I just want to see if it's going to be set up just like the other devices that I basically unboxed. Agree, continue. I'm just gonna put not now, set up later, screen time. You guys get the drill. So of course, yeah, so it's set up as well. So the iPhone 11 comes with iOS 13. Yesterday, I believe, or day before yesterday, it was a new update. So I had to update it to the 13.1. So I'm going to see if this is going to be updated to the 13.1 as well once I get inside. I'm just going to put standard for the sake of the video and choose go home. Switch between recent apps, quick access control, and welcome to iPhone. So to me, you guys, right off the bat, this screen display looks amazing to me. It damn near looks just like the, literally it looks, you know what? Okay, so this is my silver one. I'm gonna go ahead and change my lock screen and my home screen back to the screen of the wallpaper that comes on your device like this one. You guys tell me if you see a difference, because I don't see a difference. Like just looking at it, I don't see a difference at all. If you guys can see this or not, but the 11 colors are way more vibrant than the colors on my 11 Pro Max. You guys, so if I honestly had to choose the best display, even though I know Apple is saying this is the Retina XDR display, this one definitely has a better display. I'm not sure why. I have to probably go in here into settings and see. But as you guys can see, this is beautiful. The colors on here is absolutely gorgeous. So let's see if it is an update on this one. You can see there is an update for the iOS 13.1, which just says it includes bug fixes and improvements. Okay, so that is the unboxing of the purple one. It's so freaking gorgeous. It is so cute. Definitely check them out. If I were to purchase just one of my devices, if I had to choose a color, I would probably go with this purple or that mint green, just because the colors are so gorgeous, as you guys can see how each of the devices look. This is the 11 Pro Max in gold, in silver, and the iPhone 11, the purple one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know in the comments down below what device you have, whether it's an Android or an iPhone device. I'm very interested. Let me know if you guys are feeling the purple color. Let me know if you guys are thinking about getting any of these devices. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Snapchat it for dibs on everything. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.